my channel. My name is Celeste. So in today's video I've decided to do this fun sort of a video. Basically I'll be buying weird product from SHEIN. I've seen a lot of YouTubers doing it and I found it quite fun to watch, and I thought let's just jump into the bandwagon and do it. Also, I'm going to link all the products in the description box below in case you wanna go and buy it. So what I did was I went to SHEIN's website and picked up few beauty products which I thought were gimmicky in terms of its price point or in terms of the way it looked, and thought to give it a try and check if it's a hit or a miss. So yeah, and also don't forget to follow me on my Instagram. I frequently post a lot of pictures and stories on my Instagram, so do check that out. So yeah, without any blabbering, let's get started. So the first product is this eye massager, which came in this packaging. Quite interesting. It comes with a cover thing, so once you're done using it, you can just keep it. So what they have suggested is that after cleansing, you put an eye cream and use this tool to basically massage your area around the eyes. So I thought I'll just give it a try. Okay, this product actually works, and let me tell you, it actually makes my eyes feel a lot better. If you are feeling a lot stressful because of the constant use of your phones or your laptops, you can definitely use this product. Also, after using this product, I'm kind of feeling a bit relaxed and a bit sleepy. So yeah, this product gets a hit from me. So the next product which I picked is an eyebrow stencil. I really wanted to try and see if it really works or not, so I got this. This was priced for rupees 88, which is pretty decent. So it comes in these sort of packaging. So it's basically a stencil. It has 4 different types of eyebrow styles. I don't know if you can see it or not. I don't know why, but when I saw this product, I thought it was just a stick-on and it's such a waste. But yeah, if it's like this material, it can be reused for enough number of times. So I'm just gonna use this and show you if it really works or not. Okay, I'm going to be absolutely honest with you guys, but this product is totally an off for me, because when I tried it using the stencil, I couldn't fit my eyebrow into that particular stencil which they have given, because probably my eyebrow structure and the one which they gave are totally different, but it didn't work out. I wanted to give it a fair chance, so I used an eyebrow pencil for this instead of using a pomade. Even I tried with the pomade off camera and I realized it doesn't work that way. Also, I think freehand it's much easier to do it. You don't need this stencil. It's not gonna make your work easier. It's just gonna make things complicated, and it's not gonna work for most people. So for me, it's totally a miss product. So the third product which I picked up was a facial cleansing brush. So it's a very pretty pink color, so that obviously is a win-win for me, but let's see if it actually is helpful in cleansing my face. It actually has a sponge thing inside the brush, so basically you have to put your cleanser in this sponge and just starts cleansing your face. And this product actually works, so you can definitely give it a try if you want to. Okay, the one thing that had changed in me is that I have gotten into a lot of skincare from past, I think 7-8 months, and I'm actually loving it. I'm loving the whole process of actually taking care of my skin. So the next product is definitely gonna make my life a lot easier. So I have picked up this facial massager. This comes in this sort of levels which has like -0 and 1. So first thing first, it was difficult to find the kind of battery it needed. Okay, according to the instruction given on the box, I could make out that I'm supposed to put any cream or moisturizer, then start massaging my face in circular motion. So I'm gonna do exactly the same. Right now it's in 0. I'm supposed to put in -1, which is a comparatively lower setting than the plus. I didn't feel any difference to it, so I'm just gonna put it in the highest setting and see if it works or not. I personally feel as if the vibration which was supposed to work on my face is just stuck inside the tool. So when I start doing it, I don't feel any sensation on my face, let alone massaging it. I was really hoping for this product to work, but yeah, it doesn't work at all. So it's totally a missed product. Do not buy this. Okay, so moving on to the last product which I'm most excited about. I have seen this in Miniso, but I think it was kind of expensive than SHEIN, so I thought let's just give it a try on SHEIN. And I don't know if it will work or not, but if it works, it will change the game of my skincare. These are called the compress marks and I got 40 pieces for rupees 200. Look at this, it looks like toffees. That too with nice packaging. Okay, so now for people who are little confused about this product, basically these are sheet marks. So you can make your own DIY sheet marks using any products which you want. Suppose you want to use an aloe vera sheet mask, you can just use get some aloe vera gel and basically dip this in the aloe vera gel and it will kind of form a face masks if it works, and then you can just put it on your face. So for the sake of the video, I'm not using any marks. I'm just gonna dip it in water and see if it actually forms the sheet marks or not. Guys, this is a hit product. You should buy this product. This is an absolutely nice product. You can make your own DIY face masks and just use this and your game is done. You're saving a lot of money because I know the cheapest sheet masks are also priced around 80 rupees, so you are just paying 200 rupees for 40 sheet masks. So that's it for the video. I really hope you had fun watching the video, and if you did, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and also don't forget to hit the bell button so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. I'll be back super soon next week. Until then, bye.